Hello and welcome to another MyCRM Essentials video demonstration. Today we're going to be looking at service scheduling. The inbuilt service scheduling enables scheduling and the rescheduling of service appointments. It allows service desk operators to quickly find available resources for an available slot upon request from a customer. It will quickly alert operators where there are instances of appointments that clash or where customers require out-of-hours service. Calendaring views can be greatly enhanced through use of our activity calendar, which is part of the MyCRM Essentials solution. Now let's have a look at service scheduling in action. In Essentials under Evolve, and we're looking at the service calendar. When you open up the service calendar, you can see a number of types of calendar, and you can select and define calendars and resources and users and facilities and equipment, which is part of the configuration and setup. It's very easy to do. We're going to start with resources, and we've got a number of people here. We're going to start by creating a service activity using the manual method. You look up the type of service. These would be predefined. They can be defined in real time, of course. You look up the account. In this particular case, we're using ourselves, MyCRM on the Isle of Wight, and we look up a resource. Actually, under facilities and equipment, we have Francis Handy Lady, and that's the person that we're going to assign. Location, you can put that in, it's not that important because it typically will work off the site. Subject is important, that's a mandatory field, so on-site service goes in there. And then you look up the calendar date and the time that you want to schedule the service for. The duration is standard 2 hours against this predefined on-site service, but you could override that and select further time. You can also make notes, which we're doing here, and simply effectively attach those to the service schedule, and you've then done it. You've saved and closed, and it's going to be in the schedule. If we change the view using the selection, we can then see, if we scroll across, the actual appointment is now pending execution. There it is. If we looked at that on a monthly basis, you can see very much smaller because we're trying to cram in a lot more detail. Now, these views can be greatly enhanced by use of our activity calendar views. You can see far more information, allowing for much better understanding of your service scheduling challenges. Switching back to the standard view, we're now going to use the scheduling tool to actually do something that's automated. You can now see we've got a service scheduling activity window. We're going to type in the same information for MyCRM. We're going to select the service. In this particular case, it's a repair and annual service. We're going to select resources in the same way. And having selected the resource and the site, we now click on Find the Available Times. And we can now see slots that are available to deliver this service on site 1. And we can scroll through, and we could give the customer whatever time suits them based on our availability to deliver that service. We could of course choose morning and find available times. We could of course change that to the afternoon or the evening, and each time the system will find available times. Now if we go to the evening, there are no available times because David has work hours which you can clearly see are 9 to 5:30. Now we could go and change those work times, or we could override it, but typically we would be unable to deliver that service using him as a resource based on his hours. We could of course look for somebody else to do the work, so if we went to the engineering team and selected them, we could also see whether anybody was available. But again, the entire engineering team has work hours that have been specified as 9 to 5:30. So again, in this instance, we couldn't actually deliver the service based on the customer request. Looking at the existing appointment, you can see one here for on-site maintenance. It's a 3-day duration. We can also check the status and reschedule. So if the customer said, I want to reschedule, we simply find the record, open the record, change the times, change the duration, and reschedule accordingly. So here we're going to say, wants to be next month. Goes off, finds available times. It's going to switch back to a standard 2 hour, and that's it. It's been rescheduled, and that will appear in the schedule on the calendar once again. To make a purchase, to set up a trial, or for any further information on MyCRM Essentials, please give us a call or send us an email or connect with us on a range of social media platforms. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.